Hello guys, welcome to my channel SKS Technical Life. In this video I will explain about how to update our OTR ID on MP task. So without skipping the video, watch till end to update our OTR ID without any problem. Okay, so let's start the video without wasting a time. So what you have to do first, you have to open your Chrome browser or Google browser, and you have to search here a MP task login. On searching an MP task login, you will taken on this page and you will see the first link, MP task scholarship portal. You have to click on this link, and after clicking this link you will taken on this page. Okay, here you have to enter our user ID, then here you have to enter your password, and after that entering the password you have to enter your capture code which is written above. Okay, you have to return here your capture code. Then on filling this all details you have to click on the login page, and after clicking on the login page you will be redirected on this page, your profile page. Okay, you will see here your all the details like name, your name, and the ID, MP task ID. Okay, so now what you have to do to update our OTR ID, you have to click you will see here left hand side a menu. You have to click in this options, that is my profile. On clicking on this my profile you will see that there is so many options are open. So now in this options you will see the last option, that is update OTR ID. You have to click in this OTR ID options. Then now what you have to do, you will see this type of form. So here you have to enter your OTR number, and you have to enter your Aadhar ID, means Aadhar number. And if you not created your OTR ID and you don't know how to create your OTR ID, you can click on the above I button and you will see my video for creating our OTR ID. You can follow this video and you can easily create. And one more important thing is that if you already created your OTR ID but for any reason you don't know that your OTR ID, so you can comment below. I will create the video for that also. So you can find your OTR ID and all the process I will explain. Completion of this details, filling on this detail, you have to click on this search button and you will see this loader, and you will see here your detail. Okay, so you can see that your OTR ID is updated. Thank you and have a nice day. This is all about for today. Thank you.